Okay, the next thing we want to do is we want to put the microchip into the microchip holder. We want to do that now before we put in the two big displays, because they get in the way. However, there's a slight issue, well not issue, but something you need to be aware of. If I line that up there, you'll see that they don't really line up. Alright, so the chips, as they come, and this is standard on all of them, are kind of splayed out wide, and it's wider than where we want to go. So what we want to do is we want to slightly bend all of these in, because what we don't want to be doing is fighting to get it in there. Alright, so we're going to slightly bend them in. One thing I want to point out, at the top of the chip, there's a little dimple there. See the dimple there? That should go up. So you want to make sure that it's pointing, the dimple should be at the top towards the 7-segment display. So I'm going to be using my long nose pliers here, and I'm just going to put them there, grab it, don't do it, we're only doing like a millimeter, and slightly bend them over. You can see they're slightly bent over. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, make sure to try and get them as similar as possible. It's good. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Cool. We're not aiming to do a huge amount, we're just doing a little bit. And I'm going to grab that side. Try and get as close as possible. Now, what I'm going to do is making sure the dimple's at the top. I'm just going to lie it down on top of the circuit thing here. And I'm going to see, just eyeball it. Does it look like they're going to go in properly? If I think they're right, I'm just going to give it a bit of a push. Alright, as I do it, I'm going to look around, make sure I'm not bending any pins over. To me, that looks pretty good. Give it a bit of a push, and it should sit in nice and snugly. You need to make sure you bend those over first, or else you're going to end up bending the pins, and it's just not going to work.